is so flat.
Yeah, let's skip some on the way.
Big ups to my man, Skip to my Lou, street ball legend, holding it down for N1.
No one can stop.
Bring an attitude with the skipping down the court, saying embarrassing people, making them look stupid, talking trash, all that. True legend.
Every year a new player comes and they name stick around for maybe a year or two. His name stuck around for about 10. He used to come to the games late, on purpose, I think. Get the crowd stirred up, everybody waiting for him. The announcer see him get up the ride, he come running in, sneakers in his hand, they down 20, and they win by 10.
Yeah, he gets you hype. He makes me want to play. I mean, when you see him with the ball, you know you got to be ready at all times.
I find myself watching him when he's on my team, but you can't watch him when he's against you because he'll catch you.
It was pretty tight when I seen it, so I was like, Skip was doing it.
Much love to my N1 brother.
We about to do it real big, y'all. New Last Emperor, featuring Jazzy Jeff.
With me, y'all.
The Mystery Man. N1, exclusive.
Now check it, who get it live when the party dies down? Mysterious man showing up in your town. Lyrics like lightning, vocals like thunder. Neighborhood success or the overnight wonder. Precise on mics but nice with the toe-to-toe. Aerobic flow, shows out in Kosovo. Between flows and chasing them hoes, I make the crowd get down like it's supposed to go. Get down, year round, glad to see y'all came. In the summertime, banging at the b-ball game. In the wintertime, kicking rhymes, hugging my block with an L in one hand and a cup of hot chocolate. A man for all seasons. Damn, I'm raw even. We set the bar high. Everybody start reaching, cuz. Start reaching, y'all. Come on, who said I couldn't get it down like this? Some try to get it, but ain't got it like this. Put you in the mix, get your body to twist. It's the mystery man that the fans can't resist. 6-0 MKT playing the Kona. Ice cold, Coke 45, not Corona. Get down, see me on the prowl, now I'm gonna holla at this fine young Joan named Sharona. See, more don't stalk, I walk right up on her and make a hard race like the Dodge Daytona. Tired of them neighborhood guys, hey, hold up. How she get that good loving feeling when I show up? Down and ride with me, don't forget me when you blow up. How you gonna walk away from this and slow up? The head games is over, ma, I'm for real. You ain't Oprah and I'm not Dr. Phil. Despite your size and them serious thighs, the long eyelashes and mysterious eyes, it don't pay to stay away from mysterious guys. They get the girls on the floor and keep the party alive. Cause yo, now who said we couldn't get it down like this? Come on. Some try to get it but ain't got it like this. Yeah. Put you in the mix, get your body to twist. It's the mystery man that the fans can't resist. Who said we couldn't get it down like this? Some try to get it but ain't got it like this. Put you in the mix, get your body to twist. It's the mystery man that the fans can't resist. Now if I wanted I could pump in every club this week, but I'll pass cause it only adds to my mystique. If you think that I'm weak to catch me out in the streets, it ain't nothing to show me, homie, man, we got this heat. And that's the ball that got all y'all waiting to get off the wall and get the ballroom shaking. I came to put the party under arrest, and if they like it in the hood, let it pump in the jacks. Mystery man never take my mask off, but when it comes to the raps, I can match y'all. Non-stop flow that might flood the dance hall. Peace, I'm out, be easy, I get at
Yo, what up, y'all? It's that Philly cat BC representing with my dog, checking this N1 mixtape out.